Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. As you know that the school is closed due to cold wave and chilly weather. We do care for and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated from the coming examination, I am here with a proceed chapter 17. Rules for road safety. Okay, students, rules for road safety of subject social study. So watch the videos and practice the notes of exercise at your home regularly. Okay, students, so let's start. We should always follow road safety rules. They help keep us safe. At place where a zebra crossing is not available, we should find a safe place to cross the road. Before crossing, we should look right, then left, and then right again to see if the road is clear. While crossing, we should listen, identify for the sound of whistles coming from either directions. There are traffic signals for people as well. It is important to obey these traffic lights signals. If we need any help on the road, we can either talk to the traffic people, traffic police, or call the traffic helpline numbers. Okay? The traffic lights tell us when it is safe to cross a road. There are the three traffic lights. When the lights turn green, the traffic moves. People cannot cross when the lights turn green. When the lights turn yellow, the traffic starts slowing down. People should not cross when the lights is yellow. When the lights turn red, when the light turn red, the traffic has to stop. People can cross the road when the lights are red. We must follow safety rules on the buses so that we do not get hurt. Wait for your turn while getting on the or of the bus. Do not push others. Do not lean out or put your hands out of a moving bus. Remaining seated till the bus stops completely. Is that clear? Let's start chapter traffic lights. Before crossing a road, we should look at the traffic lights. Traffic lights tell us when it is safe to cross a road. What is this? Traffic light. Traffic light has three colors: red, yellow, and green. There are three traffic lights. Okay? There are three traffic lights. Is that clear? When the lights turn green, when the lights turn green, traffic can move. People cannot cross the road. Now, they should wait. When the lights turn yellow, when the lights turn yellow, traffic should slow down and get ready to stop. However, people should still wait to cross the road. When the lights turn red, traffic should stop. When the light turn red, traffic should stop. People can now cross the road safely. On the buses, while traveling by bus, we should all follow some safety rules, some that nobody gets hurt while getting on or off the school bus. Always wait for you turn. Do not push others. Okay? Do not push others. They could fall and get hurt. Do not land out of a moving bus. Do not put your hands out of the windows. Other vehicles could hit you and you could get hurt. Remain seated till the bus stops completely. You could fall down and get hurt if the bus stops suddenly. You and your friend are riding your bicycle to the playground. Your friend falls and the unable to ride back home. What would you do? Run back home and tell your parents. Leave your friends there and go on the playground. Use the mobile phone on an adult standing nearby to call home. Ask an adult standing nearby to help you take your friend home. Always wait for your turn. It is good manners to do so. It is also safe for everybody. You and your friend are cycling home for school. At a crossing, your friends cross the road. Thought the traffic lights are red. She tell you it is all right to ignore the traffic lights if there is no traffic light. Do give agree with her. Give reasons for your answer. It is good to know some important helpline numbers in your city. Those of the police, traffic police, and ambulance are useful to know. Try to remember them. We already know traffic lights are in 3 colors: green, yellow, and red. Okay? Vehicles can move when the traffic lights is green. They slow down and prepare to stop when it is turned yellow. And finally, they have to stop when the light is red. We should always obey traffic lights. Traffic lights are not just for vehicles. There are traffic signals for people as well. Here are 2 important traffic lights. Signal for people. This light means that we can cross the road. When we see these lights, it means that we need to wait. We cannot cross the road at the time. If we need any help on the road, we can either talk to the traffic police or call the traffic helpline numbers. Crossing the road, you already know we should always cross road at the zebra crossing. We should never run while crossing a road. At places where the zebra crossing is not available, we should find a safe place to cross the road. Choose a place where you can clearly see the road in both directions and where drivers can see you. Never cross at a place where the road to or turn. Before crossing, we should look right, then left, and then right again to see if the road is clear. It is important to be alert on the road. We should not only look but also listen. The sound of vehicles coming from any direction. We can often hear them before we can see them. Is that clear, students? So, read this chapter and underline the hard words. Okay, students? Do and carefully at your home practice. Is that clear? Thank you and have a nice day.